Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you've not been here before. I really do appreciate you stopping by. So today is going to be doing the last look where Pretty Random chooses my eyeshadow, and it chose out this one. So it's the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne collaboration that they did, and I absolutely adore this palette and I've not used it a lot, so I'm really happy that Pretty Random chose it out. So what you might notice is I'm looking a lot lighter today. I've got my lighting, finally, took over a week to get to me. It's a really good lighting. Yeah, I got it from eBay for like £10 and it's really good. It's actually better than the one that I had previously, what I paid £70 for. So obviously technology has moved on since I bought that one. I would show you what it looks like, but it's quite late at night. I think I'll do a video on the actual light in a separate video, just in case you want something that goes on top of your camera. But for now, let's do a look with this. Right, so first of all, let's go in with the Too Faced white chocolate shade from the chocolate bar. Here we go. So I'm just using this Real Techniques Bold Metals brush. It's really good, from a collection that they did years ago. It just kind of mattifies the base that I've just put down. It's the NYX white base. It's what I always use. Right, let's zoom in. Okay, so with this I want to do a different look. So I know I want to use this orange. It is quite a bright orange. That one is called Targin. And then I want to use Lime Time, like up in the crease as well. So I don't know how this is going to go and kind of blend them together. Just because that's a shimmer. So that's the two colours together. And then I want to mix Leo and Brixton, these two here. So stunning. Let's swatch that so you can see what it looks like. So it's like a duochrome, and I want to put that all over the lid. So I don't know how this is going to look. If it looks too crazy, I probably won't put it up. But I'm hoping it's going to look good. I'm kind of being adventurous these past few days. That Instagram picture I put up of the kind of like rainbow eye that I did with the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, my sister commented on it because obviously it was on Instagram. She doesn't really watch my videos, but if I put a look up on Instagram, then obviously she'll go and check it out, and she's like, that look was wild. And I'm like, why? And she said it was just like, oh, multicoloured. It looked like you was going to a festival. And I'm like, well, I really like it, and some people have made nice comments about it as well. But she's so much of a neutrals girl. When she wears makeup, which is very rare, it's like a neutral bronzy brown, which is, there's nothing against that. I used to be very into neutrals, like copper shades all over the lid, and like a matte brown through the crease. That's all I used to wear for years. So I'm not saying there's anything bad about that. It's each to their own, but at the moment I'm really enjoying playing with colour. That's why I want to do this look. I'm going to need my colour switch. Right, so there's so much brightness on this light that I've got. I'll show you the brightness. It's probably on one of the lowest settings. I'll show you how bright it goes. Oh. Right, so that's how bright it goes, which is far too bright for me. We'll do it there. And if we need to, we'll turn the brightness up. Right, so I'm just going in with Targin with this 217 brush. Oh, that's pigmented. Oh, damn it. Not left enough room for the green. Right, we'll just put the green kind of in the inner corner. Okay, so right, now I'm going to go in with Lime Time. Guys, I don't know how this is going to work out, just in the inner corners. Yeah, you can see it's a shimmer. Actually, I might put it all through the crease and still have some of that orange showing. Yeah, just all through the crease with that orange showing there. I think that looks quite nice. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my finger and just swirl these colours. So that one there, I don't know if you can see it, but that one's light blue and then this one's just white. And if you mix them together, you get a beautiful duochrome, which looks like that. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that, that's so pretty. And maybe spritz the brush and try and get it a little bit more pigmented. So it's just using the Primark Glow. It's just using the Primark Glow Intensity one. Right, and then I want to go back in with white chocolate. And I'm going to use this brush. It's not a Real Techniques one this time. It's just one that I bought off eBay. Which is meant to be a dupe for the Bold collection. Oh, today guys, I've got to tell you this. Let's zoom out for this little story. It shouldn't take too long. So I was putting rubbish out and I came back into the flat. So there's 3 other people that live in the block that I live in, and the person that lives upstairs has got a girlfriend who's got a dog. Quite a big dog. It's a staff, and it's like fully grown, and it came running down the stairs, running at me, and like it got to the bottom of the stairs and it was barking at me. I screamed so loud, and then the woman whose dog it was just kind of like was plodding along and not really moving fast, and then she came down and went, you know, naughty girl, you know, just not really. I mean, if that were my dog, personally, I would have ran down that stairs to make sure that the person's okay, because I really did scream loud. And it's not that I'm scared of dogs, but it's the way it came running at me. I absolutely adore dogs, but it came running at me like he was going to bite me, and obviously I was scared of that. So yeah, that was a start to my day. It didn't get off too well. In fairness to the owner, she did apologise, but I mean, I'd already been scared half to death at that point. Anyway, let's get back to the makeup. Right, so for highlighter, because I've used this shade here that I would normally use as a highlighter, I mean, I could just go in with a white. But yeah, let's try doing that. I was going to go in with Champagne Truffle, but I'm just going to go in with the white and see how that works. So this eyeshadow is called Leo and Brixton. So that side is Leo and then that side is Brixton. So I'm using Brixton as an inner corner highlight, which pretty much looks the same, to be honest. I've gone in with Leo over the top because it just looks the same. It doesn't look any different anyway. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And then for the lash line, where's my brush? I'll just go back in with this accent brush and I'll use Tarjin again, this one here. Maybe I'll use that and Lime Time together, since we've done that on the crease. Okay, and then we're going to go in with Lime Time. Wow, that looks different. I try and avoid shimmers on the lash line just because I'm prone to infection. And I have had infection from putting shimmers down on the lash line. I don't know if I like it, guys. It's just so different from what I'm used to doing. But that's what makeup is, right? You know, it pushes you out of your comfort zone. So now I'm going to go in with Too Faced Perfect Black Eyeliner. Can't wait to be done with this one. Okay, and now I'm going to be going in with the Essence I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. Right, and now then, let's go and grab lipstick and then we're done. Right, so I feel like I want to use this Revolution in Soap X in the shade Cake. It's not very mask friendly and I will be going to my mum's soon, so it just looks like that's a really pretty neutral shade. I've not had it on for a while and Pretty Random chose it for this week for me to use, so why not use it? Just wish it was more mattifying, even if it wasn't a complete matte, maybe a demi matte, but no, it's a cream lipstick. Which has gone onto my teeth. Every single video, right, when I watch it back, lipstick's on my tooth, so I'm hoping when I watch this one back I can't see any lipstick. Yeah, there's none there yet. So this concludes the look, guys. I just feel like that pop of colour all over the lid is so beautiful. It's just a really nice duochrome. It's that one there. Absolutely adore it. I feel like it's not a bad look. I wasn't too sure about this one. This one all over the lid is really nice as well. And then I've never actually used that just in the crease by itself. I don't even think I've used that at all. This palette I got in the sale. It went into the sale and I just thought, why not? I don't think I'd pay full price. Like, this is kind of making my OCD go crazy by just looking at it. The squares, the circles, the oblong pans, it's just making me think, oh my gosh, but I can work with it. My OCD isn't that bad that I can't work with it. So yeah, it didn't do so well, which is a shame for Kristen Leanne, because I feel like as an influencer she really deserves the best. But yeah, it didn't do so well because of obviously the design of the palette. Now I don't know if Urban Decay chose like the layout of it, or if that was down to Kristen Leanne to actually choose, but whoever made the decision, it was a bad decision really, because I got this, I think it was originally retailing for £42 on Urban Decay, and I think I only paid about £15 for it. And I love Urban Decay shadow formula, so I thought it was a no-brainer by getting this. And because this was so inexpensive, I got the highlighter set that she came out with as well. So yeah, it's really nice to have it in the collection, and I'm really happy that Pretty Random chose it out for me this week. Right, so what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the week, there's only a few more days, so we're currently on Friday, so I've only got Saturday, Sunday and Monday to actually play with. Where are you? To actually play with this Natasha Denona Glam Palette, and that's because I've not been able to do as many looks. I've been filming a few looks on iMovie, just like showing you what looks I've created that day, but I've not been able to do it on camera. And I wanted to do more than 3 looks with this palette, but yeah, we're going to be over the next 3 days we're going to be doing 3 looks with this. I might even do my Shop My Stash a little bit later, a couple of days later, and do 5 days 5 looks with this palette. Ever since I got this, people were saying that they'd like to see me do looks with it. I've already done 1 look, which is on the channel, but I've not really played with it, and I feel like it deserves to be loved just because of how expensive it is. I might do 5 days 5 looks with this palette. I'm hoping that I can do. Like I said, the Shop My Stash will only go up a couple of days later, so instead of it going up Monday, it will go up Wednesday. So yeah, I feel like I'm going to do that this week. So guys, this concludes the look. I really do appreciate you taking the time to stop by and support the channel. It means the absolute world. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and click the notifications bell. Please like, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.